Good evening, teacher. Good evening, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. That my name is Vanessa Davin. And in this evening, I would like to thank teacher who give me an opportunity to present about the impact of social media on teenager. As we all know, social media has a strong influence on teenager nowadays. And most of teenagers use many apps like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube because social media allow teenagers to communicate with friends and share photos and express their idea. And this app also can be a useful tool for learning new skills like they can learning educational video and discovering world news. However, social media also has a bad effect on teenagers. Like some of them spend too much time online, which can reduce their sleep time and study time. And some they may compare themselves to others, and they feel unhappy about their appearance and social lifestyle. And don't forget that social media can spread false information which can confuse young people. Despite all of these issues, social media can still be positive if the user use it wisely. Like they should know their limit on screen time, and they should choose safe content, and they must talk to trust adults when they face problem online. On the other hand, parents and teachers should guide them on how to use social media responsibly. And in my conclusion, I think social media has both benefit and disadvantage because social media can have bad effect on children, which can make them feel depression. Anyway, they should must know how to use it carefully, which can protect their self from their mental health, and they should. And in my conclusion, I think social media has both benefit and disadvantage. Like they must know how to use it carefully to protect their mental health, and they should stay focused on real life goals. Finally, thank you teacher and thank you everyone for paying attention and listen to me.